Hey guys, for today's video I'm going to be replacing the rear and the front wiper blades on my Hyundai Veloster. You're going to see three different sizes of wiper blades. So basically the shortest one goes to the back, the longest one goes to your driver's side, and the middle size goes to your passenger side. Okay, so let's replace this one first. All you need to do is lift this thing up, and then you might be wondering how to remove this. All you need to do is you just lift this thing up and push it all the way, and then you can pull this thing out. Okay, so basically this is how the snap looks like. And now we're gonna put in the new one. You want to put it this way, sideways first, and then push it to snap, and then push it down to put it in place. And once you have it in place, you want to remove the blade protector. And we're done with the rear wiper blades. And for the front, let's start with the driver's side first. All we need to do is lift this thing up. And over here, you want to lift this thing up right here. This is a latch. And once you lift it up, you just want to push this thing down. Okay? Now, if you look at your new wiper blades, it's closed like this. All you need to do is lift this thing up. This one right here is where you're going to insert this hook right here. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. So I just open this thing and I'm gonna go ahead and align it right here. You may need to wiggle it a little. Okay, and then once you insert it, I'm gonna push it up like this, and now I can close this lock. Okay, once you do that, you just want to remove the green cover, and you're done with one side. So now I just have to repeat the process on the other side. And I just want to show you again how to install it on this side. Hopefully that will help you out. Again, you want to open this thing, okay, and you want to insert this hook inside here. Okay, so let me see if I can reach it here, and then just pull it up and lock it in. I just need to remove the blade cover and just put it back down. Okay, so that's how you install the wiper blades for your Hyundai Veloster. And I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please help my channel by clicking the like and the subscribe button, and thank you for watching.